Hi there, students. Straight out can be an adjective and an adverb. I think more commonly an adverb. So straight, continuing in one direction without bending or without curving. So straight out, if you tell someone something straight out, you say it directly and honestly. You don't beat about the bush. Yeah, you say it straight out. Okay, you say it directly and immediately. Okay, so let's see. You don't have to tell them the truth straight out, but some facts you're going to have to give them. Yeah, I told her straight out that I was in love with her. Okay, straight out. You can also use straight out to mean immediately. Yeah, directly. Okay, so when we arrived, we went straight out. We left again. Okay, so straight out, at once, without delay, without hesitation. When I entered the room, I knew straight out that there was a problem. Immediately. Yeah, don't delay, do it straight out. Okay, so at once, now, to do something straight out in a very frank way, very direct. Yeah, I told him straight out that I didn't like him and I was only interested in making money from him. And then straight out, completely, totally. Yeah, so yeah, you don't have to tell a straight out lie, but you're going to have to give them a little bit of the truth to go with it. Yeah, this is straight out dishonesty. Okay, so notice we can use it as an adjective or as an adverb. I think the adverb is probably more common. He told her straight out that he wasn't interested in marrying her. Yeah, the teacher told me straight out that I was going to fail the exam. Yeah, and maybe I ought to think about passing it next year. Okay, so straight out, immediately, from the very beginning. So the new government came in and straight out they started implementing new policies. The politician can never say anything directly. He never comes straight out with the truth, but goes around the houses. Yeah, this is straight out dishonesty, complete dishonesty. Yeah, please be straight out with me. Just tell me the frank and honest truth. Okay, so straight out. Notice the other day I made a video on straight up. Somebody who's straight up is somebody who is honest and serious. Yeah, but this here, straight out, is slightly different. Notice, he told me straight out that there was a problem. He told me straight off that there was a problem as well. Okay, so straight out, straight off. Let's see. He said he wasn't going to help me. Yeah, he said straight out, look, don't beat around the bush, just tell me straight out, without hesitation, without thinking about it. Be forthright, be outright and clear. Yeah, don't hold back. Yeah, okay, this is a straight out disaster, unqualified, thorough, complete, and a complete disaster. Okay, so if you ask him straight out, he's going to lie to you. You're going to have to be a little bit more clever than that. Okay, so straight out. Frankly, be straight out with them. Don't try to hide it in soft words. Please do this straight out. When you arrive home, do this straight out, immediately, at once, without hesitation. And then, yeah, this is straight out robbery, complete, without without any dilution, completely directly. Yeah, so this is a straight out lie. It's a complete lie, a total lie. Okay, so let's see. Straight, yeah, going in a straight line, and then the out. I think this out is either to express something directly, comes out from you, or from the beginning, to set out on a journey. Okay, straight out, formality. I think I'm going to give this a 4 in formality. Use it informally, definitely. Use it in a semi-formal conversation, a semi-formal writing just about, but no more. Okay? So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Straight out.